Rio's lights. Changes all different color.
Yeah. Pretty.
So the sign is on. Oh, they got two signs. One here and one up front up there.
Oh,
The hotel lights are on and moving. Changes colors. I think the original colors are what, like blue and purple.
It's still kind of, well, right there is blue and purple and red.
But the hotel itself.
But the hotel is a little different tonight. Hotel Rio. Hello. Ta-da!
So dark. Just kidding. All right, here we go. Rio, walking in from the garage, Masquerade Garage. Break the rules. Chippendale. They have Chippendales here? Huh. Yeah. I should go save my chest and go work here too. Are you ready to party? Oh my gosh. Okay. Look at this. Wow.
Wow.
It looks the same. Okay, let's go down.
It looks dead.
I know. That's horrible. Well, they're trying to do it up, I guess. We'll see how it is. Love It Loud. Rock and Roll Chapel. You get married in there, huh?
Oh, yeah. I got shocked. Did you get shocked?
No, I didn't touch anything.
So I was touching you. You didn't get shocked.
I'm touching you, touching me. So, they have Kiss World over there.
Kiss. The band.
So that's the video games over there. And the casino floor looks the same as last time. Everything's so spread apart.
What are those?
Those are like a track for a show, I think. Back in the day, I used to see like a track that goes around. Yeah.
Looky.
I don't like that game. It's like, oh, wax on, wax off. Because you could do that on this game. We'd call it the wax on, wax off. Right? So it's Mr. Miyagi. So, to win a bonus? Never mind. Good game.
Good game.
Good game.
Good game.
Everything's so spread open here. I don't need to go through and walk in the middle. I can just record this. Yeah.
But where are the table games?
I don't know. Further in?
Maybe.
Yeah. Wow, they have everything all closed on the side.
That's
Masquerade. Wow.
Wow.
Let's go get a player's card.
Oh, they have this.
Oh, that's what it's called. Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Wow, box office. It looks...
So they have it over here.
Okay. They have a Keno. Okay, so it says here Chippendales upstairs, retail shops, steakhouse, nightclub. This is where they dance on stage.
Oh, I thought that was right here.
Well, yeah, after they dance, you could go. Never mind. Okay, good game.
$2,000, you get 2 tickets for show.
Oh, so $8 free play. Nice.
$8 free play.
Let's walk clockwise.
Alright, let's.
Yeah. Good deal, Rio. Thanks for the free play.
Thank you.
What are you gonna use it on?
You know where I'm going.
Dragon Link? Yeah. Let me point this up a little bit. There we go. Here we go. Wow, I hear coins. Unless...
$5
She looks so happy.
Those things are so cute.
What is this? This is the check-in for hotel.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
Coming soon, Lapa Lounge Cocktail Bar. Wow. There's your game.
It's my game.
Table games in the middle.
Where's the
Our game? I don't know.
I don't see it.
What is this? Is this electronic roulette? Let me see. Yeah, it's electronic roulette. Electronic roulette, blackjack, yep. Okay. Kang's Kitchen, Korean barbecue. Okay?
Are you hungry?
No. Still not hungry.
I don't
Yeah.
see it, though.
Maybe it's further somewhere. Maybe they don't have it here.
Maybe they got.
Okay, let's turn this over this way. There we go.
Should I try my free play?
You wanna try it? Okay. I'm gonna stop recording. Oh, it's over here. Carnival World Race Sports Poker Convention Center. Guy Fairs. Oh, restaurants. Decor here is nice. Let's walk through the high limit room. Wow, the decor here is really nice. It's like old school. I wonder if they even changed it. I just haven't been in this casino in a long time. Buffalo! Oh look, they have Indian Bistro over here. And then there's a comedy cellar. Nice. Wait, that wasn't even the high limit room. This is the high limit room. High limit slots, yeah. This is the high limit slots. Ooh. Ooh. RIO slots. Look at this. I gotta take a video of this real quick. This is nice. Yeah, let's take a picture of this real quick.
Welcome to Rio.
RIO high limit slot room. Nice and empty. All for us.
It's okay.
Yeah, this place is empty. A dollar in the high limit? Oh. $5, $10? Yeah. Okay, I want to walk through the slot machine area real quick. Finish recording. Let me cash out and go back.
Alright.
Unless you want to play.
I don't want to play, but I
Well, we won this. You want to play like 50?
Can I play 50?
Okay. You have your card?
I do. I'm holding it.
Okay.
Which one should we play?
Well, I'm gonna go record.
I'm gonna walk around and look.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll go record for this. Okay. She's looking at me. Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately they have no bubble craft machine here. My favorite game. I was lucky to win that $230 on free play. That was amazing. Usually it doesn't happen like that. Yeah, you got a lot of Dragon Links. I like this machine. Crazy Money. She's checking out the machines over there. Yeah. Can I get a water? Here you go. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Let's go walk through over here real quick. Oh, they got the Huff and Even More Puff game. Huff and Even More Puff. I walked over here already. Well, that's it. Alright. My opinion of this place. Seems like the slot machines are loose. RTP is actually really good here. Probably because they want people to play. But yeah. I was sitting at the Dragon Link machine and the lady next to me was winning on every machine she was playing. Like she played 3 of them. Then I played and got the bonus and a win. So yeah, check it out. It's pretty good here. What's wrong with this thing? Look at that. It's like 3D. Okay, here we go. Let's see if she's winning. Time to leave, Rio. Ready? Ready. Look, the sphere. Happy that we won on free play, yeah. From $1.50 bet to $230 win is actually really good. Let's go see. Oh, Paradise Island. Recording us walking out.
We are walking out.
Oh yeah. Chipmunk. Ooh, look, they're so happy they won. Monopoly Mayhem. What did they win? What is this? I don't know. Taken away from the screen. I'm like, oh, they got 1,500, I think. But nope. Yep. That was fun.
We're going back?
Yeah. We're going back to our place.
We're going back to the Palms.
Thank you for tuning in.
Can't really tell because it's really bright.
Maybe it'll look better after
Maybe.
This looks sketchy.
I think we're fine. It's going to go up. Yes. There it is. All the dropping colors. Thank you, Rio. He likes Dragon Link again.
Oh, I don't.
You still don't like Dragon Link?
No.